2, yeah. Okay, so we are recording here, VSL Maker, and I named my product Wonder Widget. Okay, but what am I going to type? How am I going to sell this? I need to convince people that as they claim. Okay, they aren't as wonderful as they claim. This is some problem, right? Okay, and then reveal a new solution. Reveal a new solution. The problem is, some of they aren't as wonderful as they claim. That's VSL Maker. So if you have any questions about VSL Maker, let me know. Email me or shoot me a message in the school. I know this is different through Zoom. A lot of people haven't really gotten on here. I also am recording this, so hopefully the recording will be available as well. But when you watch the recording, it won't be me live, so you will have to message me if you have any questions, okay? VSLmaker.com. Take a look at it and let us know if you buy it, or let us know if you have any questions. Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to head on out of here. I'll talk to you guys soon, and